sound effect. Wait, cut. No, we're gonna delete this. Okay, no. Oh.
Wrong side.
Wrong side.
That's what he said.
Plug me in.
Okay.
Why does he need his hands?
No, because he should be like we're in the German nightclub, and he's going to be the voice. You're gonna sing.
Oh, I just died in your arms tonight. Must have been something you said. I just died in your arms tonight.
No, hey Gabe, can you throw? Can you? Yeah. Okay.
Whoops, I dropped something.
So you're high frequency, we track.
Okay. It sounds like a trash can.
Sounds like a bait.
Siren from a different planet. Okay.
That's not a sound.
It can't. Drowning wave sound.
Mom, help me, I'm drowning.
Okay. Oh, have you seen Scary Movie? It's so hilarious. Like when like a dolly, like it went.
There's too much Walla Walla.
Hey guys, shut up.
Hey guys, shut up.
Okay.
Richard Young.
That's right, Dr. Young. Thank you for your interview.
Well, not a doctor yet. Alright, I feel like a celebrity.
So, what do you think about all this?
What?
What do you think about all of this?
I think you're hard at work.
Hey Gabe, I love that you love me so much, but I haven't been filmed this much since I your mom.
Every time I go to record it asks overdub. I click off. That means recording a new file or the same file?
I don't know. Turn it off, turn it on. Don't care about it.
Eric will care about it, and
No.
Grade will care about it.
He doesn't grade these assignments.
We look so
Welcome you are. Good. Thank you.
We get the acoustic foam and start stealing like other soft stuff. Take like one of these cushions. What if we take one of these cushions? That was lame. That was really lame. That's like the same thing as drum.
What about this?
Stop.